today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated
I.
Well, we're packing up soon. Friday we're heading back up north. Looks like we got 6 inches of snow. So that ought to be fun because there's another snowstorm coming Friday. That's enough work for the big old Bobcat for now. I'm actually just at 50 hours, so I'm going to have to do the service when I get back down here in a couple weeks. We did go out on the pontoon boat. I didn't do much recording, but here's a few pictures of what I took while we were out. This wasn't much of a pleasure trip this time. I was basically prepping for when we can have the house put in. But I figured I'd throw a few photos in for you. Yeah, I know. I think I screwed up.
Never seen anything like that.
No, that's definitely new, huh?
It's been there, but
Not for that long. Oh yeah, it's my new carport. How you like that? And then once I get that all set up, I'm going to clear behind it so it can be a pull through so we don't have to back it in. We can come in through my other gate, come around and pull right through and stop. That Milwaukee saw works pretty good. I did throw the chain a few times when it catches. I don't know what that's all about, but other than that, it works great. So Reolink sent me a larger solar panel because they didn't have them at the time when they sent me that camera. And I did move my cart and all my welding stuff over to this side, so it's more convenient. Didn't get to ride, but I have a few more days, so I might still get a ride in. We did go to Universal, though. Man, I'm at the point where I don't even think it's worth going anymore. We bought the Speed Pass tickets, and I thought that that was all you needed. And then we got to the counter, and we had to purchase regular tickets with the Speed Pass tickets, so... Oh, shot at me. Definitely not worth it. I didn't get to use my wire unroller, but maybe. I have a few days left. Gizmo's out, keeping the property free of varmints. I gotta put that bigger compressor under here. The 2-cylinder one just won't fit. The bigger single-cylinder one will definitely fit. I have a few more cameras to put up to review. Here's a Reolink Solar Panel 2, just for that bigger camera I put back on my property. Help me out on those cameras, will you, kitty? We're going over here. You got yourself all twisted up. If I knew you wouldn't go too far, I'd let you go. So I'm replacing that little solar panel I put up. Meow meow. My helper. Yeah, quite a bit bigger. 5.8 watts. And the one I took off, I can't remember what it said it was. It claimed to be more, but it's probably a 3.5 or 4 watt. Bit of a difference. Some people are having a problem finding a kit for that camera and this solar panel. It's because this solar panel is pretty much brand new. Well, not pretty much, it is. It's brand new. This has water seal on it for that connector, which I had to tape off the last time. Oh, I see. If you wanted to strap it on a tree instead of screw it, you mount this plate in here, and then you strap it on a tree. It also comes with a USB-C to USB micro. All that work I was doing with that big old Bobcat killed the battery. I couldn't keep up with it. Let's see if she charges. Technically, I should have charged it before I put it back up. Well, we'll see if it works anyway, if it charges. And I got this Reolink camera I gotta hook up. I have to figure out a spot to put this. What do you think, kitty? Meow meow. I put one of them tile things on him just in case he got loose, or if I thought I could trust him, which I don't yet. Let's see how this place is. Cajun shrimp salad, meatloaf, pulled pork. Looks good. That is fat. You gave me a lot, huh? Yeah. This is pretty good.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.